fixing to rain. We better hurry up.
Yes, sir. It's fixing to rain, all right.
It's good to see. What have you heard any jokes lately?
Oh, yes, sir. I've heard a couple. You tell your first.
What do you call a religious person that's always walking around?
I don't know. Walking around.
That's a Roman Catholic.
A Roman Catholic. All right.
Yeah. What kind of shorts does a cloud wear?
A cloud like up?
Yeah, like up in the sky.
Really? I don't know.
Thunderpants.
Yeah, these are dad jokes. Oh my.
All right. Well, what do billboard? How do billboards talk?
Billboard.
Sign language. That's right.
Okay.
So can you tell me what's the least favorite music that a balloon likes to listen to?
I didn't know what it is. I don't know. What?
Pop music.
Pop music.
Pop music. Oh, good Lord. All right, you tell yours.
All right then. Well, let's see here. What rock group can't sing or play an instrument?
I don't know.
Mount Rushmore.
Mount Rushmore.
Okay.
All right, give me a news.
Why is it always windy in an arena?
I don't know.
Because there's so many fans.
Fans, okay. That makes sense, don't it?
Why do you never trust stairs?
I don't know.
They're always up to something.
Well,
Yeah, they go
they
up to
always
something
do
all the
go
time.
up something, don't they?
How do mountains stay warm in the winter?
I don't know.
Well, they have snow caps on.
Okay.
Yeah.
I get it. All right, I get it.
Uh-huh.
All right, well, you want to tell your long joke first?
Okay, I'll tell it. All right, one time there's this family, they sitting at the table, you see. And the man, he starts eating. The little boy looks at him and he said, "Hey, Daddy, how do worms taste?" And the mama, she said, "Son, you don't need," and the daddy too said, "Hey, you don't need to bring up something like that, Dad. We trying to eat." He said, "That's disgusting." So after they got through eating and all, the daddy looked at the little boy and said, "Why would you ask some question like that while we trying to eat?" He says, "Well, because you had a worm on your salad there, it must not taste bad."
Oh, good. Ooh, that's nasty.
That's bad,
You
ain't
should have
it?
listened to it.
That's right. Hey, look here, it's gonna rain. You better tell yours now.
All right, so there was this robber. Okay,
A robber.
They went into a bank. They're gonna rob a bank.
Okay.
Well, he goes up to the teller and he points his gun at him and said, "Hey, look him."
Oh.
He said, "You better give me all the money in that cash register, or you'll be fiction."
Fiction?
Guy looked at him and said, "Don't you mean history?" He said, "Don't you try to change the subject on me. Now give me the money."
Change the subject.
I know it's dead.
That's bad.
Look at, we gotta hurry because it's in the rain.
Yeah, the wind's starting to blow now.
Yeah, I see.
All right, we gotta go.